How to fix screen rotation not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix screen rotation not working. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So to fix screen rotation not working, first check the quick setting for auto rotate or portrait lock icon. So go to your quick settings. On your quick settings, you'll find this icon, that is the auto rotate icon. So tap on it to turn on the auto rotate option. Now it should work. If it does not work, you might want to restart your device. So press on the volume up and power button together and then restart your device. Tap on the restart button and let it be. So while it restarts, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's just jump right back into it. So after it restarts, go to your quick settings again, check the auto rotate icon. And also, when you are trying to rotate your screen, avoid touching the screen while rotating, so hold the phone by its edges. Now some apps don't rotate. Check the specific app settings or long press on the home settings to check that out. So for some apps such as Instagram or Snapchat, those apps do not rotate. So check that out, and yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.